Native to islands in the Indian and southern Pacific Oceans, these animals are truly humongous. They can weigh 9 pounds and measure 3 feet from leg to leg. Coconut crabs are the largest land-living arthropods, the phylum of joint-legged creatures that includes crabs, insects, spiders, and scorpions. Even Charles Darwin was stunned by their monstrous size. In this video I will share with you 7 amazing fun facts about coconut crab. Before we begin, we published new videos daily, so be sure to subscribe this channel for the great content. Without delay, let's start. They're hermit crabs. You may have seen smaller hermit crabs on a trip to the beach or for sale at a pet shop. They take shelter inside abandoned snail shells, carrying them around as portable homes. But if coconut crabs are hermit crabs, then why don't they live in shells? Well, they do when they're young and still small. They hulk out of their shells. Like other crabs, hatchling coconut crabs begin their lives floating freely at sea. After about a month of eating and growing, they find a snail shell and move in. The little coconut crabs carry this mobile home as they begin to transition to a land-based life. A seashell is a nice, protected place to live, but it has its drawbacks. As a crab gets bigger, its shell gets tighter, like an old pair of shoes on a kid who's growing fast. Coconut crabs eat coconuts, of course. This might seem obvious from the coconut crab's name. But if you've ever tried to crack open a coconut, you know that it's a steep challenge. In fact, a lengthy scientific debate once raged about whether coconut crabs were really able to open the fruit. It turns out that they're up to the challenge, but they don't just pop open their prize and dig in. But they also eat dead animals, their own body parts, and each other. A coconut crab's diet may include other tropical fruits, fallen plant material, dead and decaying animals, rats, and other crab species. They'll even eat members of their own kind. In fact, biologist Mark Ladra says they only relatively recently evolved to eat coconuts, a skill unique to modern coconut crabs which helps them to eat each other less. They also eat their own discarded body parts. As coconut crabs grow, they periodically molt their tough outer layer, the exoskeleton, and grow a new one. Once they're done molting, which takes about a month, they gobble up their own exoskeleton. They have an amazing sense of smell. Coconut crabs often forage at night. How do they find food when they're wandering around in the dark? They sniff it out. These animals have a strong, highly efficient PDF sense of smell. In fact, a large portion of their brain is devoted to detecting odors. Which might explain why they're thieves. Coconut crabs are also known as robber crabs because they snatch silverware and other objects and carry them away. Some people have even advanced the gruesome theory that Amelia Earhart's remains are missing because coconut crabs hauled them down into their burrows. They carry their developing young under their abdomens. After coconut crabs mate, females attach their eggs to special appendages and carry them under their abdomens. While the young develop inside the eggs, the females hold onto them, sticking near the edge of the sea so that they can periodically moisten the eggs. Please hit like and subscribe our channel for more amazing content in the future.